Namaste guys, this is Sachin Hembar, creator of Self-Healer Sub, on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the ancient Indian science of ayurveda. And in this video, I am doing a personal invitation to you to my upcoming webinar where I'll be sharing with you the 3 secrets to accelerate your inner healing power and unleash it. So what are those 3 secrets, guys? Firstly, I'll help you discover the power of food and water. Secondly, I'll help you optimize your meditation and affirmations. Thirdly, I will help you optimize your fasting and exercise. And in the end, I'll give you a chance to get into the private coaching system which are designed especially for you so that you can continue your journey to awesome health with me. So register for the upcoming webinar. If you're watching this on my Facebook, the link will be in the first comment. If you're watching this in YouTube, then the link will be in the description, and if you're watching this on Instagram, link is in the bio. Register for the webinar. Looking forward to meet you live. Thank you guys. Again, I am Sachin Hembar, creator of Self-Healer Sub, on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier and a more fulfilled life through the ancient Indian science of